Beaches or mountains? Why choose one when you can have the best of both the worlds? I am at a country that offers the best of Asia and Europe. This city is called the Las Vegas of the Black Sea. Welcome to Batumi in Georgia. Welcome to Georgia! Georgia, a country nestled at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, is a true hidden gem celebrated for its diverse landscapes, rich historic tapestry, and exceptional hospitality. While most people visit the capital city, Tbilisi, coastal town Batumi, which is the second largest city of Georgia, is also increasingly becoming popular. Batumi shares border with Turkey, and it's always a good time to visit this city as the weather is pleasant all through the year, while you can experience snowfall during the winter months. Wow, what a beautiful place this is. This is a city where nature meets modernity, lush greenery meets vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches meet majestic mountains, and Asia meets Europe. Let's first talk about how to get to Batumi. Well, taking a direct flight from Delhi to Tbilisi is probably one of the best ways to get here. But Tbilisi se Batumi hai about 6 hours drive away, which can be a very long travel. But if you live in Dubai or are willing to take a connecting flight from Dubai, Batumi is just a direct flight away via Fly Dubai, and the duration of the flight is only 3.5 hours. If you already have a US, UK, Schengen visa or an Emirates ID, you can just walk into the country with visa on arrival at no added cost. But if you are an Indian without any of these visas, you've got to apply online. Well, as soon as you touch down the city, you will be taken in by the unique blend of European charm. My first step is to check into a hotel before I explore the city, and since Batumi is a resort city, I am opting in for a seafront stay at Courtyard by Marriott. Now, besides its beautifully designed and uniquely structured building, this definitely is one of the best places to stay at when in Batumi. So let's go. With Batumi increasingly becoming a popular destination among Indians and GCC residents, here's a hotel which is perfect to set your base at. Courtyard by Marriott Batumi is renowned for its unique shape and prime location right across the Batumi Boulevard in the heart of the city. The hotel offers stunning city views, and guests can enjoy luxurious car pickup and drop-off services. The lobby is impressive and welcoming, with hospitable staff always ready to assist. Guests can relax in the cafeteria or dine in the spacious restaurant. I enjoyed the comfort of a family suite which featured 2 rooms and an incredible view of the sea from the balcony. The hotel also boasts a spacious banquet hall for organizing big events such as destination wedding, and an Olympic-sized swimming pool that opens up to the horizon of Batumi, making the experience truly unforgettable. Wow, क्या amazing view है. Well, the best part about this hotel has to be the fact that ये beach सिर्फ 2 मिनट के walking distance पर है, और यहाँ पर view इतना अच्छा है कि मैं सचमुच पूरा दिन यहाँ गुजार सकती हूँ just by looking at this relaxing and peaceful view. तो मुझे बताया गया है कि बातूमी में और भी बहुत कुछ है explore करने के लिए. So let's go and explore the city. Batumi has a lot to offer, including 21 kilometers of swimmable areas along its coast, stunning botanical gardens, a cover of lush green mountains overlooking the clear blue waters of the Black Sea. Let's begin by exploring the city center. चलो शुरुआत करते हैं with the central and the most vibrant spot of Batumi. This is Europe Square, और यहाँ आपको देखने मिलेंगी जगहें which have historical significance along with modern day attractions. सबसे खास बात is this statue of Medea who's holding a golden fleece
There's also an astronomical clock tower जो ना सिर्फ डेट और टाइम बताता है बल्कि सनसेट, सनराइज का टाइम as well as the position of sun and moon. That beside, Europe Square is actually one of the most hip and happening places of Batumi. यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे cafes, restaurants, casinos, nightclubs and everything else. So let's explore this tiny little neighborhood. जॉर्जिया का जो राइटिंग सिस्टम है इज अमंग द 14 मोस्ट एंशिएंट अल्फाबेट्स. इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट से जॉर्जियन अल्फाबेट्स बहुत अलग है. देयर आर 33 अल्फाबेट्स और ये है अल्फाबेट टावर. ये अपने अल्फाबेट्स को लेकर इतने प्राउड है that they have actually got all the alphabets embossed in this massive tower that goes as high as 130 meters. Half a day into exploring Georgia and I can't wait to dig into the authentic Georgian food. Georgia literally comes at the border of Asia and Europe. तो आप इनके खाने में भी वो influence देखेंगे. There's a European as well as Asian flavors coming together.
Georgians love carbs, but it's worth indulging in a kachapuri ajuruli.
Now you would think this sounds very similar to our Indian kacha puri, but it's different. Kacha in Georgia actually means cheese, and this is a boat-shaped bread, which is puri, and it comes with cheese filling and with the yolk on top of it, which represents the sun. How it tastes, as you can see, I couldn't wait for the camera to dig in. I have already tasted and it's absolutely yum. ओके, दिस इज अ पर्सनल हैक. जब भी मैं कोई न्यू कंट्री में जाती हूँ वहाँ के एक लोकल पार्क में ज़रूर जाती हूँ बिकॉज दैट गिव्स अ ग्रेट ग्लिम्स इनटू द लोकल लाइफ. So this is 6 May Park, which is literally located in the center of Batumi. It's got beautiful covered trees, lots of games, a gorgeous lake view, a perfect spot to sit by, watch the world go by and relax. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. Well, your trip in Batumi wouldn't be complete without seeing the moving sculpture of Ali and Nino. This is the Ali Nino statue, which is in the heart of Batumi Boulevard. The story goes like Ali, who is a Muslim Azerbaijani boy, and Nino, a Christian Georgian lady, fell in love with each other, but due to the political and cultural differences, could never be together. This moving sculpture is a tribute to their love story.
I have never seen such a mesmerizing piece of art before. So wow, here's a moving statue that tells a story. The figures of Ali and Nino move towards each other, symbolizing their eternal love, only to separate again. An automated performance that lasts 10 minutes. It's a touching portrayal of love transcending boundaries.
Well, you don't need a drone in Batumi because by standing here on the Ferris wheel, you get an amazing aerial and panoramic view of the entire resort city. समंदर किनारे घंटों तक वॉक करना. If that's what your dream holiday looks like, Batumi is the place for you because right now I am at Batumi Boulevard, which is the longest waterfront promenade spanning across 7 kilometers. And मैंने hire करी है एक electric rickshaw to make it easy and smooth for me. See you soon. Bye.
As the sun sets, the boulevard becomes even more lively. Taking an electric rickshaw along the 7-kilometer stretch is quite a cool experience, especially as you pass by some of the most happening clubs and restaurants in the city. Both adults and kids can spend hours at the boulevard without realizing. But here's something special waiting for me back at the hotel, and that is the casino. The city has invested heavily in its casino industry, especially top-tier facilities that cater to a diverse range of visitors. Whether you prefer classic card games or cutting-edge slot machines, Otium Casino provides a vibrant cosmopolitan gaming experience compared to other destinations.
Well, being the Las Vegas of the Black Sea, the Courtyard by Marriott has a casino right next to the hotel. It has plenty of games to offer to keep you busy. And if that's not enough, do enjoy the Georgian dance performances happening right here that are sure to entertain you.
There's also the beautiful lush countryside, no more than an hour's drive away from the city center. There you will find walking trails through tree-lined mountains and hills, valleys filled with vineyards, and rivers and streams that cut through the undergrowth.
Wow! Well, I've landed myself into a Hollywood movie set. This looks like I am in the midst of Life of Pi, a very secluded island. But I am in Georgia. This is Kolketi National Park, which is about an hour and a half away from Batumi. Ab Batumi mein you will get a lot of glitz, glamour, city lights. But agar aap ek nature lover ya adventure seeker hai, this place is perfect for you. यहाँ करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. There's bird watching, there's trekking, camping. There's also a guided boat tour along the Palyastomi Lake, and I am going where I will be exploring the park's waterways. So let's go. This is going to be a lot of fun and very, very adventurous.
Kolketi National Park, located on the Black Sea coast, spans over 28,940 hectares and is renowned for its unique wetlands and diverse ecosystems, offering a haven for nature enthusiasts. One of the main attractions of the park is Lake Palyastomi. This picturesque lake covers an area of approximately 18.2 square kilometers. During the boat ride, you will navigate through scenic waterways surrounded by lush greenery and rich bird life.
Wow, the water, the natural water here tastes really good, and I'm told it's got some really good health benefits.
After a long day of outing, it was time to head back to the city center, and for me, the city center means the Batumi Boulevard. This is where the city never sleeps, with all the shops and activities open literally 24/7. I was tempted to take another ride on the Ferris wheel and enjoy panoramic views of the city. As I strolled through the vibrant boulevard, I couldn't help but think about the practical side of traveling here, like understanding the local currency.
The local currency of Georgia is called lari, and 1 lari is equal to 30 Indian rupees or 0.75 dirhams.
My next day in Batumi started by indulging in a soothing spa massage, followed by a choice of Georgian, Turkish, continental, and most importantly, Indian food.
Well, driving around Batumi is quite an experience. You will see river on one side, mountains on the other, lush greenery everywhere. Georgia is truly a European country like no other. और यहाँ आपको देखने मिलेगा a great mix of culture coming together from Asia as well as Europe. Well, I'm amazed at the natural beauty Batumi has to offer. This morning, I am at Makunseti Waterfall, a 20-meter long cascade which is surrounded by lush greenery and rocky cliffs, creating a picturesque and a serene atmosphere. I am truly loving it. Now, I can't wait to dip my feet into this icy cold water. Let's go. I am now heading to the botanical garden where I am told there are lots of adventure activities and of course lots of natural beauty.
Situated along the coastline, 9 kilometers from Batumi's center, the garden rises from sea level to 220 meters, encompassing lush forest.
Batumi's botanical garden is a true testament of its green allure. You can literally see here a vast array of plant species from different parts of the world. To be honest, I can stroll endlessly through the scenic trails while enjoying the breathtaking views of the sea and the mountains. बातूमी की मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी that it's a very easy going city, no strict rules, a tourist can really come here and enjoy himself. तो अगर आपको घूमने का शौक है, mark this European city in your bucket list क्योंकि यहाँ पर है green spaces, vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, rugged mountains और अगर आपको कैसीनो का शौक है तो well that makes it even better. I hope आपको मेरे साथ बातूमी घूमने में मजा आया. For more such travel videos, don't forget to subscribe to Curly Tales and of course download the Curly Tales app. यहाँ आपको food और travel से related सारी extensive guides मिलेंगी. Until next time, it's me Kamya Jani signing off. मैं मिलूंगी आपको एक new country में. Until next time, bye.